The Embrace Lite is an economy collapsible display that features a basic frame, channel bars, and push-fit fabric graphic that gives you a fast, seamless, and captivating portable display for your trade show event or advertising needs. Begin with the backlit scissor frame, expanding it, and begin carefully snapping in the locking arms. With the frame flat on the floor, carefully attach the channel bars and end cap channel bars on the front and back side of the frame. Stand the frame up and begin inserting the silicone edge beaded graphic into the channel bars. Finish by folding the graphic over the end caps and work the silicone edge down the channel bar.